Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Ford Ranger Raptor. First, familiarize yourself with the terrain management system, which allows you to adapt to various conditions. Engage four-wheel drive when tackling challenging off-road environments for enhanced traction. Remember to adjust the suspension settings to match the specific driving surface, ensuring a smoother and more controlled experience. Understanding these core features is key to unlocking your Raptor's full potential and enjoying its capabilities safely. The Ranger Raptor offers several specialized off-road modes. For high-speed desert runs, select Baja mode to optimize throttle response and suspension dampening. When facing rocky terrain, Rock Crawl mode engages four-wheel drive low and fine-tunes throttle sensitivity for precise control. Always maintain a steady, consistent throttle input, especially over uneven surfaces, to prevent loss of traction and maintain momentum. These modes are designed to enhance your driving experience and vehicle capability. For more advanced driving, practice controlled steering inputs to manage slides on loose surfaces, which is crucial for maintaining vehicle control. Always monitor your tire pressure. Reducing it to around 25 psi can significantly improve traction on soft terrain like sand or mud. Additionally, engage the front and rear locking differentials when you anticipate a wheel losing traction, ensuring maximum power delivery to the wheels with grip. This helps prevent getting stuck in extreme situations. After your adventures, it's crucial to perform regular maintenance. Always inspect suspension components, like shocks and control arms, for any damage or wear after off-road excursions. Also, frequently check all fluid levels, especially engine oil and coolant, to ensure your Raptor remains in top condition. And hey, if you're looking for ways to make your daily life easier, check out the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keeping your Raptor well-maintained ensures it's always ready for your next adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.